Rockshark from Vixino Folding Knives. So let's go ahead and check them out here. Yeah, it looks like we have a seal. We're gonna go ahead and break them here with the Parallel, which is unboxed. There we go. And okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, there's quite a bit here. I'm actually surprised. We got a wiping cloth, some paperwork. We have a whole handout here. And then we have a Ziploc for the pouch itself. That's crazy. Not only that, but we have a Velcro, right, with the Vixino logo on there. Then we have a Mad Shark, right, a little shark character there holding the knife itself with a little full-out little gear on the outside. That's also a Velcro. Let's go ahead and check out the zipper pouch here, and bada bing, bada boom. Here is the knife, ladies and gentlemen. Now, what in the Benchmade Bug Out Killer do we have here? All right, let's break it down a little bit. It is going to be a crossbar lock knife. We have G10 handles on this one. And not just any boring G10, right? They actually have some good diagonal micro milling on it. I mean, and I absolutely love this, right? For a time there, I want to say 2023, 2024, every company was doing the boring G10, right? With no design to them. You had to get a premium titanium knife to even get some sort of milling on the handles. But now, right, we're getting this with diagonal milling on the G10. This one we looked at has the frag pattern on the G10, so definitely that's a W in my book. This one has orange with the orange thumb studs, the pocket carry clip, also reversible on the other side for lefties. That's a W right there as well. I mean, it is a lefty friendly knife. Laying your whole solution right there, and without further ado, captive pivot, by the way. Let's go ahead and get it deployed. Well, bam, right there is the blade. All right, I'm gonna have you guys take a look there. We're looking at a stone wash finish 14C 28N blade. Drop point with the flat grind, looking very, very nice. And honestly, you know, this is a good looking orange. It's not too loud. It's not too tame, right? Just the right amount. And I didn't mention this, but there is an orange G10 backspacer as well. And these are exposed liners. We do have milling on the inside for weight reduction, as you would expect. A little bit of jimping here on the liners for grip. They are otherwise smooth everywhere else throughout the knife. And let's go ahead and get a feel for the crossbar lock. Okay. So far, so good. Obviously, it's going to be on ball bearing, so very smooth movement there. They actually protrude out from the handle quite a bit. Gives you good grip. That's feeling pretty good. Thumb stud deployment. That's solid. Reverse flick. That was off the meat of the middle finger. I got to tell you, for a crossbar lock, definitely creates a pretty solid D10 kind of feel. Obviously, we don't have a D10 ball, but that absolutely feels pretty tough there to overcome. So when you thumb deploy, that feels pretty solid there, pretty snappy. Again, like I said, even though there's no D10 ball. But we got this other model here. This one's on black and white, sort of like Stormtrooper aesthetics to it. Again, the name is actually pretty cool. The Rockshark. It's a shark that likes to rock. So let's take a look at this one here, right? Same unboxing experience, of course. Oh, by the way, I missed this. There's even some straps in the back if you wanted to carry this on your backpack or your belt or what have you. And Vixino branding here. Also, zipper pouch. All right, pretty cool actually. Right, pretty premium there. At least it feels like it. And here we go. This is the other model. I mean, I'm sure they have multiple different colorways. At least we're getting two different ones to check out in this video. We got the black, we got the white, and a little hint of color there with the green thumb studs. That's nice. It absolutely pops just enough. Otherwise, again, it gives you the whole Stormtrooper aesthetics. Mr. Stormtrooper himself agrees. But yeah, blacked out blade on this one. Again, 14C 28N steel. Now it is going to be, I want to say, a small to medium knife. A schmedium is what I like to call it. Because it's not necessarily the smallest knife out there. Or, you know, it's not too small to be a small. But it's not a large knife either. So it's like borderline medium knife. I'm able to get a full 4-finger grip with my average size hands. The typical KFC spork size. And I guess you could forward choke a tad bit. You don't have a dedicated finger choil, but you could make it work, right? As long as you're obviously aware of what it is you're doing. I mean, for a company that's just making a debut, right? Coming brand new out of the gate and pushing some models out to the market, these are actually pretty surprisingly good. I mean, typically it takes some new brands some time to figure out what designs work. Or they kind of put some designs out there and it takes them a minute to get feedback from the community and improve and get better with those designs and change and tweak some things here and there with their models and whatnot. But it looks like this company, Vixino, it looks like they did their homework. It looks like they definitely did their research, understood the assignment. Kind of looked out, looked to the community to see what it is that would be a good EDC knife. And so far, so good with this model, the Rockshark. It is making a great first impression here. So if you're into crossbar lock knives, if you like a good classy drop point blade with a nice slicey flat grind, and I mean, you don't like boring G10, but you want a nice little milling on a grippy G10, again, these are going to be checking a lot of boxes. Absolutely looking pretty good for what it is. So definitely look out for Vixino. Check out the links below if you're interested. If you want to check other colorways, they have plenty to choose from. I'm telling you, out of these two so far, I like the orange a lot. I like the Stormtrooper a lot. I don't know that I can choose one versus the other. You guys let me know in the comments which one do you definitely like most out of these two. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Either this one or this one. Peace.